Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is a cryptocurrency, another cryptocurrency which is currently trending, and that is called SHIBA INU. It's ranked number 25 currently on CoinMarketCap. So without any further ado, if this is your first time here, consider liking and subscribing with post notifications turned on, as we do bring you daily crypto news and keep you up to date with all the latest crypto trends as well. So yeah, let's get into today's video.
What is SHIBA INU? Once upon a time, there was a very special dog. That dog was a SHIBA INU, and this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it. According to the SHIBA INU website, SHIB is the dog coin killer and will be listed on their own shibaswap, a decentralized exchange.
So now let's talk about what SHIBA INU has been doing in the last 24 hours, and let's see what the price live data in the last 24 hours is like.
SHIB price live data. The live SHIBA INU price today is $0.000019 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $7,496,558,523 USD. SHIBA INU is down 34.16% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 25, with a live market cap of $7,325,897,292 USD. It has a circulating supply of 394,796 billion SHIB coins, and the maximum supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy SHIBA INU, the top exchanges for trading in SHIBA INU are currently Binance, Wobi Global, OKX, Hotcoin Global, and BioNE.
Great guys, so let's go ahead and look into some SHIBA INU news. So over here I have their Twitter account opened up, and approximately 2 hours ago, new exchange selling SHIB, this time from India. SHIB/INR and SHIB/USDT trade is now live on VIDS. You can now buy, sell/trade SHIB in our, I guess it's Indian and USDT market. They have a nice and cute picture of dogs here. And when we head over here, I did have an explanation of the SHIB to let you get a feel of what exactly SHIB is. So it's definitely something worth looking into, as well as they do use that dog a lot. They do use the dog a lot. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now, I'm going to go ahead and answer some questions in regards to, is SHIB good to invest in? What does SHIB look like in the long term? What are the risks, etc., etc.? So I'm going to go into that now. So yes, price prediction. So SHIBA INU price predictions. Should I invest in SHIBA INU cryptocurrency? Should I buy SHIBA today? According to our forecast system, SHIBA is a bad long-term 1-year investment, but doesn't mean that it's bad all the way. Okay, SHIBA can be profitable, can be a profitable investment option. SHIBA INU price equal to 0.00020 USD at date. If you buy SHIBA INU for $100 today, you will get a total of 5,020,433 SHIB tokens, I should say coins. Based on our forecast, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 to date is $0.00025 US. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 25%. Your current $100 investment may be up to $100 $25 in about 5 years time. Great. So now I'll answer some frequent questions about Shiba INU. What is Shiba INU price today? The current price for Shiba INU is currently 0.005059 USD today. What will Shiba Inu, or will Shiba Inu price drop / fall? Yes, the price of Shiba Inu may drop from 0.005059 USD to 0.00016 USD. The change will be a negative 18.7%. Will Shiba Inu price rise / go up? We don't see that happening anytime soon. Will Shiba Inu replace / surpass / overtake Bitcoin? No, according to our predictions, that we don't see that happening anytime soon. Will Shiba Inu crash? According to our analysis, this can happen. Will Shiba Inu hit 1 USD in a year? We don't see this happening within a year. Will Shiba Inu hit 5 USD in a year? We don't see that happening in a year either. Will Shiba Inu hit $10 in a year? Obviously, if we don't see it hitting $5 in a year, how can it possibly hit $10 in 1 year? It's technically impossible. So guys, I really do hope that, you know, this video brought you some sort of knowledge. You gain some sort of knowledge from it. So my question to you, or my proposal to you, is if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications turned on. And if you're a person out there and you're looking for a place to store your cryptocurrency, I highly recommend Trezor hardware wallet. It's going to be in the link in the description below. It's a safe place whereby you can store all your cryptocurrencies as well as your tokens, etc., etc. So make sure to leave a comment below, because we do read every single comment. We go through every single comment and try to respond to each and every single one of you. So guys, I hope you have a great day cryptoing. This is Whiteboard Wealth bringing you this information today, and keep cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.